Possible tornado. It's spinning, rotating, hasn't touched the ground yet, but we've got video on it. We'll make the news for sure. Right on us. Look at it, getting serious underneath of it. That is very cool. Look up, Mike. Look how far out it's reaching. There it is. There it is. There's the funnel. It's coming down. There it is. Listen to it. It's starting to howl. Hear it? Oh, that's the lines above me. Oh yeah, I see it on the ground now. I see debris. Or it's clouds, debris, something. Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh no, come on, focus. There it is, there it is. Starting to show up. Starting a new video.